Binka has 3 houses. 1, 2, 3. Binka's home is with Mrs. Dawson.
Binka?
The Lockett family.
Binka, Binka.
And Mr. Bolt. Ah, Binka.
Meow.
It's very convenient to have 3 houses, because in every house there is a bowl, and in every bowl there is something to eat.
Meow. Meow.
Tonight, Binka has come to Mr. Bolt's house for supper. Mr. Bolt is a very good cook, and this is one of Binka's favourite suppers. Binka doesn't mind doing the washing up, and he always washes his hands after supper in case he missed anything tasty. Uh-oh, Binka smells something else now. But you've already had your supper, Binka.
Meow.
Oh dear, it's not easy climbing fences when you have a full tummy.
Meow.
And it's not easy to play with your friends when you have a full tummy. What are the Locketts having for supper? Ah, it's fish. That really is Binka's favourite supper of all. So, Binka is having 2 suppers. He had one supper at Mr. Bolt's, and now he's having another supper at the Locketts. And he's doing the washing up again, too.
Meow.
Oh dear, it's not easy being squeezed when you have a very full tummy. And it's not easy using the cat flap when you have a very full tummy.
Binka?
Uh-oh, I think Mrs. Dawson has made supper for Binka too. Binka is very full. But Mrs. Dawson has made another one of his favourite suppers. So, Binka is having 3 suppers. He had one at Mr. Bolt's and one at the Locketts, and now he's having one at Mrs. Dawson's. But Binka is too full to finish 3 suppers. Oh dear, he has a tummy ache. Poor Binka. But Binka has a little lie down and a little cuddle, and soon he's feeling better again. In fact, he's almost feeling hungry. Oh, Binka. 1 supper ought to be enough for anyone.
Bambini, rivedete questa scena del cartone. Ascoltate attentamente quello che dicono i personaggi e provate a ripeterlo quando ve lo dirò io.
Mr. Bolt is a very good cook.
E ora ripetete da soli.
Mr. Bolt is a very good cook.
Adesso riproviamo con un'altra scena. Siete pronti? Ascoltate.
Ah, it's fish.
E ora ripetete da soli.
Ah, it's fish.